This is Ariel to Ground Control. World Space Week is wrapping up as we speak, and there are many exciting new plans and programs in the world of space travel and exploration. World Space Week is a commemoration of two of the biggest events in space history. The launch of Earth's first satellite, Sputnik, in October 1957, and the signing of the Outer Space Treaty in 1967, prohibiting putting weapons of mass destruction in space. And Space Week this year saw some major headlines. Commencing countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Engines on for Elon Musk's SpaceX, which successfully landed a reusable booster rocket on the West Coast.
First views of Hubble.
Houston had a problem with the Hubble Space Telescope, which just lost an essential gyroscopic stabilizer. And domestically, Israeli startup Space IL and NASA will be joining forces on Israel's upcoming first moon launch. NASA will be contributing a laser array to help track Israel's lunar lander, which will share magnetic field data it gathers from the moon.
I think Israel has a lot to offer. We have many experts here in Israel in many fields. That's what we are trying to do in DMARS. We are trying to be a part of all the research that is going on today in the human mission to Mars.
Which brings me to why I'm wearing the helmet. It's part of DMARS, a simulation in Israel for what it would be like for would-be cosmonauts to live on the surface of an alien world.
We are mimicking some aspects, some kind of issues that space flights, space astronauts will have to deal with concerning when they are arriving to Mars or to the moon, and also during the flight to Mars and to the moon. We want to incorporate Israel in a space industry, not only in the security aspects.
In honor of Space Week, these simulated spacemen are showing their gear to the public. Spacesuits, life support, and yes, this helmet. The idea behind DMARS was to create a habitat in isolation. The Ramon crater in Israel's Negev desert, where they hope international astronauts can practice living in an unfamiliar environment. One similar to an extraterrestrial world. It's an ambitious idea, but that's the spirit of Space Week, whether it's from the control room or floating in a tin can far above your home. Ariel Levin Waldman, I-24 News.